Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. I really believe that oftentimes the best beauty products on a budget are actually the ones you make yourself. There are so many wonderful, inexpensive things you can make with simple kitchen ingredients. Home remedies can be really great, and in all honesty, I prefer DIY products to most drugstore beauty products. They are inexpensive, organic, and usually even more effective. In this video, I'm gonna share with you two recipes, a scrub and mask for face. Well, let's get started. For the scrub, we need 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Coffee is a wonderful face scrub since it exfoliates the skin. It gently exfoliates the skin cells and removes impurities, leaving the skin smooth and refreshed. A coffee mask reduces skin inflammation and enhances blood circulation, which tightens blood vessels and gives the skin a more radiant and brighter glow. It also minimizes the signs of fatigue. Coffee is high in antioxidants such as phenols, which can help fight free radicals and protect the skin from damage. As a result, fine lines, wrinkles, and saggy skin can be avoided. In fact, the antioxidants in coffee can help fight acne, increase collagen formation, and minimize hyperpigmentation. Sugar is one of the best natural beauty ingredients to exfoliate your skin. Sugar scrubs are mild and help remove dead skin cells. Yogurt, moisturizing, brightening, boosting elasticity, easing acne, helping skin infections, and reducing inflammation, protecting against UV rays, reducing the signs of skin aging, and toning. Mix all the ingredients together. Clean your face with warm water to open pores. Apply it on your face and neck and massage gently for about 3 minutes and let it dry for 15 minutes and then rinse it with warm water. Try it once or twice a week, you will get an amazing result. Now, let's move to the second recipe, the mask. We need potato. Potato help you to get rid of ugly spots, marks and blemishes. Helps in inflammation reduction caused by bruises and rashes. Help in dark circle treatment and reduces puffy eyes and delays the signs of aging. Contains antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage caused by pollution and exposure to the sun. Flour. Flour does an excellent job in skin lightening. It's a natural exfoliant that provides an even skin tone. It deeply cleanses and brightens your skin. Flour contains zinc that fights dark spots, reduces blemishes and early signs of aging. In addition to that, it controls sebum production and soothes inflamed skin. Cheese. Vitamin A softens the skin, vitamin C removes redness and irritation of the skin and stimulates the production of collagen. And vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties. Well, let's get started. All we need is about 3 teaspoons of potatoes juice, 1 teaspoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of cheese. Mix all the ingredients together. After scrubbing your face, it's time now for the magic mask. Apply it over your face and neck and let it for about 25 minutes. And rinse it with warm water and moisturize your face with your moisturizer. And that's it. This is so simple and easy, and you can find the ingredients in your kitchen. Try it once or twice a week. You will see the difference yourself. Just amazing results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.